Welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where our goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 exercises that's going to help you tone those glutes and thighs while burning fat in the midsection. Before we get started, if you're having trouble with motivation, inspiration, and need help getting started, click the link in the description section or in my bio to join my 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. This challenge is absolutely free. So if you're ready to crush those goals but need a little motivation and accountability, click the link and I'll see you on the inside. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to focus on multiple muscle group movements that's going to allow you to get toned and burn fat. All right, so we're going to do 8 exercises. We're going to do 2 at a time. After the 2, we'll take a break, come back and do 2 more. All right, so let's get started. All right, the first exercise, we're going to do sumo squats. You're going to open your legs wide open. Make sure your toes are pointing outward. And you're going to go down into a squat, come back up, squeeze at the top. All right, we got 8, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you keep your back straight. 5, suck your stomach in. 6, 7, last one, and 8. Good job. All right, so the next exercise is squat press, okay? You're gonna grab your kettlebell. All right. Keeping your back straight. Make sure when you go down, keep your back straight the entire time and press up. All right, there's 1. We got 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 more. 6, 7. Last one, ladies. And 8. Good job. All right, so now you're gonna take a break. Make sure you get some water. It's very important. Stay hydrated. All right, ladies, welcome back. Usually, I don't take a break with these 8 exercises, but you're just getting started. So I want you to do what's comfortable for you. So you can take a 30-second to a 1-minute break and get back going. All right, so the next exercise we're gonna do is single leg squats, okay? So you're gonna grab your weights. All right, and you want to bring your feet shoulder length apart. All right, and make sure both of your toes pointed in the same direction. You're going to keep your weight close to your body, keeping your chest up, and you're just going to go down as far as you can go. All right, that's 1. We got 8. 2, 3, 4. All right, we're halfway there. 5, 6, 7. Last one. And 8. All right, we're gonna switch. All right, keep both toes pointing forward. All right, and you're gonna go right down into it. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that back straight. 6, 7. Last one. And 8. Good job. All right. All right, the next exercise is butt taps, okay? You can find anything in the house. You can find a chair, couch, anything that you can find, okay? That's comfortable, soft, not too hard, okay? All right, so you're gonna get down. All right, you're gonna rest your shoulders right on the top. Then you're gonna simply bring your feet out and you're gonna drive your butt all the way up in the air, squeeze your glutes at the top and tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. We got 2 more. 7. Last one. 8. Good job. All right, so those were the next 2 exercises. So go ahead and take a break, get you some water, and we'll be right back. All right, ladies, welcome back from your break. Now we're gonna do some Russian twists, okay? We have 8 Russian twists. All right, you're gonna find a comfortable spot on the floor. You can use a mat. And then you also, if you wanna add some extra weight in there, you can get you a dumbbell, a kettlebell, anything that you have in your house. All right, and so you're just gonna make sure you lean back a little bit. All right, and we're gonna go from side to side. 1, 2, 3, make sure you tapping that floor. 4, suck that stomach in. 5, 6, we got 2 more. 7, last one. 8, good job. All right, so now the next exercise is bicycles, okay? All right, you're still on the floor. You're gonna lean all the way back. I like to hold my head up just to give a little extra comfort. All right, and you're just riding the bicycle. All right, so you're gonna do this. We got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. Good job. All right, so again, go ahead and take you a little break, get you some water, and I'll see you on the next exercise. All right, welcome back, ladies, from your break. We got the last 2 exercises. We're gonna do some ins and outs and some scissors, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and find a comfortable spot on the floor again. All right, in and out. You can hold your head for extra comfort if you like. All right, and you're just gonna go out, in, okay? We have 8. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, last one, 8, good job. All right, and the last one, scissors. All right, we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, ladies, good job. That ends our workout for today on toning up the glutes and the thighs. Again, if you need help, get motivated, join my 5-day, free 5-day challenge. Get fit, get motivated, and I'll see you on the other side.